Wow, I'm having such a feeling of deja vu right now. I'm pretty sure I've had a dream about this last week.
You know, there really is no such thing as deja vu. Your mind is just playing tricks on you.
What are you talking about? I've definitely seen this in a dream before.
Despite believing that she's seen this in a dream, there's a good chance she's seen it before. She's been going to class for an entire semester, everyone is in the same seats, and the professor is in the same spot behind the podium.
Well, if it wasn't a dream, how do you explain this feeling I'm having? I know that I've seen this class in the exact same way before.
Deja vu has a number of explanations. The three core explanations are familiarity transfer, divided attention, and mental or cognitive deficits.
Hold on, what on earth is the familiarity transfer?
I'm glad you asked. Familiarity transfer is where you unconsciously attribute aspects from a prior experience onto a new situation, and in true deja vu fashion, it makes you feel as though you've experienced it before.
Well, that makes sense, but what about divided attention? In class, we learned that it is basically inattentional blindness. How does failing to see something relate to deja vu?
With divided attention, the stimulus is still perceived in the brain. Just because we don't physically attend to it, or remember seeing it, doesn't mean that we didn't see it. The divided attention theory states that the stimulus is registered in memory, and then when you see the same stimulus at a later time, you get a feeling of deja vu.
And mental disability, how does that affect deja vu?
That is primarily due to areas of neuronal activation within the brain.
You mean like when neurons fire when we see or hear something?
Exactly, but the activation is centered around the entorhinal cortex, which is heavily responsible for a lot of memory-related information.
So, what mental disabilities would induce deja vu?
That's a good question. Deja vu is primarily seen in disorders like schizophrenia, depression, and temporal lobe epilepsy, which causes the activation of areas near the hippocampus and amygdala.
Some of these theories conflict, though. Which one is the real answer?
Truthfully, scientists aren't 100% sure. They can speculate and provide theories, but with the current knowledge of memory and cognition, there's no definitive proof. However, each theory does have its merits. Each contains an explanation and evidence that relate to cognitive aspects holding an influence on deja vu.
So, it's probably safe to say that I didn't see today's class in a dream or premonition. It's because I've either been in the particular situation before or because I wasn't paying my full attention to the class.
You're absolutely correct. But hey, there's a small chance you're the next Nostradamus.
Too bad I can't have deja vu about my final next week.